Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team out here on the final day of our project in Holden, Missouri. So as you can see, we are in the process and actually just finishing up getting all of the dirt backfilled, piled up neatly as we possibly can get it around where we installed all 23 of our King Piers. So we make sure to always pile up the dirt a little bit higher, just because when it rains, that dirt's going to settle. It's impossible to compact it as much as it was prior to any of the excavation. So that way we got everything here ready to go before all the rain sets in here within the next couple days. But everything's looking great. This side in particular of the house was raised about 2 inches, pretty much from this corner to the back corner. All the other areas were raised right around 1 inch along the other sides of the home. So everything just went back exactly the way it was. The customers were here while we were doing the lift earlier this week and last week, so they were able to see firsthand how manipulating that footing we were able to do things like close up cracks, make doors and windows work like they should be. There was one door in particular that was fixed by the piers we did on this area of the house. So everything went great with the lift. We'll take a quick look downstairs. We got everything sealed up on the walls, so you got a couple areas here that we got patched up, and again right here. So we had a couple bad corners that we got patched, in particular right around here. And then back here as well. So everything's sealed up with that NP100 polyurethane. And this polyurethane, when it's dry, it is essentially a permanent Band-Aid. It has some elasticity to it when it's dry, so it'll expand and contract as needed. There should not be any movement though, now that we have the footings back raised to level, and we're going to keep them there. So it is really just essentially a permanent Band-Aid now on these cracks. So we got a few more kind of splintered off everywhere. But yeah, everything is finally complete on this project. Right now we are just getting everything mixed up to seal the inside drywall, get all the cracks sealed there, and that will be it for this project. So yeah, right now we're just in the cleanup stages, getting all the equipment loaded up, getting ready to go inside. Just got a handful of cracks in the drywall we're going to get sealed up. Yeah, great job by the King Piers A team. Once we got them out here, it was smooth sailing on this project. So I would highly encourage you guys, if you get a chance, to take a look at our YouTube and Facebook pages for updates on this project. Just search for King Piers LLC. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always give us a call at 1-816-288-4373.